This is the Light Therapy Resource Tabletop panel. It has both red and infrared lights. If I'm feeling a little tired in the morning or need a boost of energy, I love to give myself 5 minutes of the tabletop panel in the morning using both red and infrared. Otherwise, always in the evening, I give myself 5 minutes of red light therapy on my face, and I do both red and infrared at 6 inches away for just 5 minutes, and you will be amazed at how much better your skin feels and looks just giving yourself that 5 minutes of therapy every single night. One of the great things about the Light Therapy Resource Tabletop panel is that it does come with a pulley system, so that allows you to attach it to any standard door, and you can pretty much use it anywhere on your body that way, which is amazing. So let me just show you really quickly how to install it. It's super easy. So there's these two knobs on the top of the panel, and you simply screw these into each of these, like this. And now you have the pulley system set up. And then let me show you how you attach to an actual door. So here's the door hanger itself, and this is going to attach to the pulley system. And this will go on any standard door frame, just like that. And now you're ready to attach the panel. Remember this? All we do is we attach this carabiner to the other carabiner, and then you're ready to go. So now if you want to adjust, you can simply, or if you want to bring it down, you push up on the knob. So very, very easy to use, allows you to hit all different parts of your body. If you'd rather stand instead of sit to hit your face every night, again, close your eyes, and there you go. It's so easy to use. You don't need to spend a lot of money to have amazing results from red light therapy. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to grab one of these before they're gone. You will not regret it. And don't forget, subscribe and follow us so you can continue to learn more about red light therapy.